Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. What's the price changes occur in the XRP. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about XRP Ripple coin, guys. So guys, first of all, if we talk about the right now price of XRP Ripple coin, 1.09 USD dollar, that is the right now price of XRP. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes occur in the XRP, positive 1.74%, changes occur in the XRP in 1.13 USD dollar. That is the highest price of XRP in the market, guys. Other side, if we talk about the changes of XRP Ripple coin, so very badly, you can see here very badly the XRP price dumps in the market, guys. But why the price dumps more and more in the market, guys? Due to the short-term investor invest in XRP, and when the price again start dump, they decide to sell, guys. And you know what, a lot of people are getting a huge profit from XRP. You can see here 1.9 USD dollar, that's really a huge profit. You can see here now at this time the people are again investing highly in the XRP Ripple coin because the price is in the pumping mode, guys. Anyways, guys, now I believe, guys, that the future of XRP is bright and the huge pump also continue. I hope, guys, that they continue this jump for a long time, guys. Hope you like this update video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.